Hello everyone, welcome to Management Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss SWOT analysis. SWOT, S-W-O-T, stands for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. A company can assess the internal environment of an organization or perform an internal environment analysis by looking at the strengths and weaknesses which it possesses. Similarly, a company can perform an external environment analysis by looking at the opportunities and threats which the company may have. Let's discuss one by one. What do you mean by strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats? Strengths and weaknesses are internal to the organization. Strengths could be internal capabilities. Like, for example, a company might have state-of-the-art manufacturing facility or a very good marketing or branding team. These can be internal capabilities which are strengths of a company. Strengths can also be resources. This can be manpower, raw materials, machinery, anything. Some strengths can also be positive situational factors. So positive situations in the organization can also act as sometimes strengths for a company. Now let's discuss weaknesses. Weaknesses can be limitations or internal negative situations. Imagine that in an organization, people do not work as team. They just work as individuals. They do not see the company's overall goals. This can be an internal negative situation which can act as a weakness for the company. Companies should periodically evaluate their strengths and weaknesses. How do companies do this? One of the simplest ways is employees can be asked to rate the company's strengths and weaknesses, and the company can devise strategies to increase the strengths, improve the strengths, and reduce or eliminate weaknesses depending on the suggestions given by the employees. Consultants can also work towards identifying key strengths and weaknesses for a company. Let's now move on to the external environment and understand what are opportunities and threats for a company. Meaning of opportunity can be opportunity is an area of need in which a company can perform profitably. So it's an area of need in which a company can perform profitably. So an opportunity can further be classified. Let's say if a company wants to classify several opportunities in the external environment, it can look at two things: attractiveness of the opportunity and the probability of success of an opportunity. So whether a certain opportunity in the environment will become successful in the future or not. How attractive is the opportunity for a company to work towards it? So opportunity can be a decline in competitors' sale. Opportunity can be favorable economic conditions. An opportunity can be government reforms which helps in profitability of the company and aids to the growth of the company. A threat is a challenge posed by an unfavorable trend. So it's a challenge which could have arrived, which has arisen because of some unfavorable trend or development. For example, the coronavirus situation or the COVID-19 situation is an unfavorable trend, a situation which is very challenging for a lot of companies. Many small companies might shut down because there is no manufacturing or there is no labor available in these tough times. In general, a challenge can also be posed by competitors, a challenge can also be posed by market leaders. In absence of a defensive marketing strategy, these challenges or threats can lead to decline in sales or profit for a firm. This SWOT analysis can be performed, as I mentioned earlier. Sometimes employees might also help, but many companies can take help of consultants who help to evaluate a company's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and strengths. Also, companies to perform SWOT analysis periodically to have a continuous evaluation of what the company lacks and what the company needs to do in order to stay ahead of competition. It is not possible for companies to remove all its weaknesses. Similarly, it's not possible for the company to act on all the opportunities presented by the environment. The company has to understand which opportunities are favorable and which weaknesses the company can remove easily. A company cannot be error free or a company cannot be weakness free. A company cannot be without any weaknesses. So, companies should perform a SWOT analysis which might help to achieve its marketing objectives and serve the customers in a much better way. And achieve its marketing objectives if a company does SWOT analysis. So this was all about SWOT analysis. Please give us suggestions for more videos in the comment section. Thanks for watching Management Academy. Do like, share and subscribe our video.